Hi, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo, and we are at the Broadmoor in Colorado Springs. We are in the West Tower in room 4266, and this is considered to be one of their deluxe rooms, but it's also one of their most basic, least expensive rooms, so you're going to be really surprised what they consider to be basic and inexpensive, or least expensive, I should say. So you walk in, here's kind of an overview of the room. And depending on how your room's set up, to the left or right, of course, there'll be a bathroom. And it is, for a basic bathroom, it's amazing. So there's 2 sinks with beautiful marble everywhere. And right now their amenities include hand sanitizer, because it is September 2020 and we're in the midst of COVID, and this property is doing a great job of making people feel more comfortable and safe. But anyway, in this bathroom there's a little nook here with extra towels. They have amazing lotion and hand soap. They give you hand sanitizer and mouthwash, cotton balls, all that kind of thing. And then there's a bath and toilet here with more amenities in the shower area, and there's also a rain shower or the regular shower head, and you can do one, the other, or both. They also give you more toiletries there, like bath salts and shower cap and that kind of thing, and then plenty of towels. Beautiful artwork everywhere as well. So then backing up and over across from that is a vanity area, and it's been nice because there's also a desk area. So if we both need to be working from here, you have 2 workspaces, or you have a makeup table as well. And all their furniture has storage, which is great, because a lot of hotels don't think about putting storage in nightstands and that kind of thing. But here's a walk-in closet, and the walk-in closet has 2 luggage racks. They give you a safe here, and then there's also ironing board, iron, and then they also give you a umbrella to borrow, a lint brush, and a shoehorn that's big enough for boots, because you're definitely wearing some kind of boot around here because you are in Colorado Springs. So all your activities tend to include boots at some point. So anyway, it's a nice, generous closet, and then this beautiful vanity area with a big mirror, and then a makeup mirror. And also, just look at the sconces. They're just gorgeous. And again, storage. And then we're walking through. There's a full-length mirror to one side. And then over here, there's a little coffee station. Normally, this mini bar down here is full. I've been told is full of amenities. But this time, because of COVID, they've taken out like food and drinks. And they've only left you complimentary water. So they do give you complimentary waters, which they will fill daily, which is very nice. And then they also refill your coffee, and they give you a selection of tea and hot cocoa with your Keurig, and then the accoutrements with that. Okay, so then coming into the main bedroom area, here's a quick overview, and then I'll give you more details, but okay, so starting over here, there's a little comfy chair, and then a whole TV with storage. There's also a DVD player, and then the work area with the desk and lamp. They also give you complimentary luggage tags, lots of good information about the property, and mints. And then you've got more seating over here, which is super comfortable and plush. And then You've got storage in both nightstands, one of the most comfortable beds I've ever slept in a hotel, and it's absolutely wonderful. So anyway, the room is really wide, really spacious, and every room has some kind of very pleasant view. So anyway, that is your tour of this particular room. Thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo, and feel free to like, subscribe, comment, leave questions, and thanks for watching.